Installing the fuser and rollers in the Dell 2335 multifunction printer. If you're changing the fuser, allow your printer to cool for 30 minutes before beginning this procedure. We'll start by going to the rear of the printer and turning off the power switch, and then removing the power cord. We'll open the back door to access the fuser. There are 4 screws that hold in the fuser. You'll need to remove those 4 screws. You can take the blue handles and pull those down and use those to pull the fuser out. Pull it out on the right first, and then slide the left out of the chassis. You'll notice this indent on the left-hand side of the chassis where the fan is. You want to slide the new fuser in on the left-hand side first, inside that indentation. It'll slide in easier. First on the left, then on the right. Make sure your blue levers are up. And then you can reinstall your 4 screws. Close your back cover and your fuser is installed. Now remove your paper tray. We're going to change the pick tire in the paper tray. It's up underneath. There's a flexible clip on the shaft that matches a groove. Flex that clip and it'll slide off the shaft. Take your new roller, slide it on the shaft, and that clip will snap into the groove, and then replace your paper tray. Next, we're going to change the transfer roller. Remove the toner cartridge. The transfer roller is located below the toner cartridge. You want to locate the blue slider on the right, and on the left there's a bushing. Put a glove on. You don't want to handle the new transfer roller. Push that slider and the transfer roller will pop up. Pull the roller out. Get your new roller. You can drop it in on the left. Then drop it on the right, move the blue slider, and it will lock in place. Go ahead and reinsert your toner cartridge. Close your front door, and we're going to change the ADF separation pad located here and the ADF pick assembly. With a flat blade screwdriver, you can just pry the pad up, and then there's some clips down inside. Those flex, pull that out, put your new pad in, snap it in place. There's a spring located and then some bushings and clips located on the top ADF. You can pull the tab out slightly, the white one on the right, and then the other one on the left. Slide it. Those are like cams. You need to point them forward. And then with a small flat blade screwdriver, we're going to remove the spring from the pick first. Make sure your cams are pointed out. They'll snap right out of the cover. Take your new pick assembly, put the spring onto the pick assembly first, and then snap it into the cover. Locate the bushing on the left, slide the left shaft into that bushing, relocate your cams, line those up with the cover, point them straight out so they line up, and then snap them in. One goes down and the other one goes up, and it's snapped in place, and the procedure is complete.